In this video, I will provide some general information about the math tasks in eGrader. There are a total of 7 different tasks, but these tasks are performed in different classes and at different levels. Not all grade levels have the same task. The tasks here assess the ability to understand the magnitude of the numbers, the ability to calculate, comprehension of mathematical relationships, and basic arithmetic skills. Usually there are 30 subtasks, but in the number dictation task, there are 10 subtasks. The number dictation task is visible for the first, second, and third grade. It is recommended to allocate one lesson to complete these tasks, and they can be done on a computer or a tablet. Headphones are needed to perform the number dictation task, however. The math tasks use 3 simple ways to respond. Number 1, the task provides multiple choice options, and the answer is confirmed by pressing continue or enter. Number 2, enter the answer using the calculator or the keyboard and confirm it by pressing on continue or enter. And number 3, quick selection without requiring a separate confirm button. If a student accidentally selects the wrong task, they can return to the front page of the task by pressing return to front page. For example, if they select a number sequence and this isn't what they intended, they can click on front page of the test and now they can go back to the maths page. It is always important to ensure that the students are on the same page and working on the task that the teacher is currently going through. This helps maintain alignment and consistency in the learning process. Each task starts with 2 or 3 practice tasks to ensure that the student understands the logic of the task. We recommend going through the practice exercises together with the teacher, especially with younger students. This collaborative approach helps reinforce understanding and provides guidance to students as they familiarize themselves with the task's requirement and concepts. Carefully go through how to correct an incorrect answer, especially in the tasks where there are multiple options. For example, in the number sequence task, there are a number of different options here. So if the student selects 12, which is in the right answer, they can click on the other button and this is the right answer. Similarly, you can correct an incorrect selection in other ways too. In calculation task, you can correct the mistake by using the back arrow on the calculator or the keyboard. For example, in addition, 10 plus 10 is 20. But if you write 21, for example, we can correct it by going back and writing 20. The practice exercises must be correct before proceeding to the actual task, so that students who have chosen the wrong answers can practice correcting their responses. This approach allows students to learn from their mistakes and reinforces the understanding of the concepts involved. It promotes a formative learning experience where students can actively engage in self-correction and improve their problem-solving skills. Please note that these questions related to math support for each student have been added to the survey. These questions should be answered before students proceed to the actual task, and the responses should reflect the situation the student is in prior to assessment. By gathering this information, it allows for a more comprehensive understanding of the students' needs and provides context for their performance in the tasks.